Ladies and gentlemen, Jack and Coke Cupcakes. A lot of people said, hey, Jack and Coke Cupcakes will never happen. Not in our lifetime, and ladies and gentlemen, we have done it. Technological marvel, okay? Look at all the ingredients we put in. They come in kind of fast, so I'm not even gonna read them off, okay? Now, we add in some Jack, that's the important part. Stir, 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 and let's make our dough. Add in a bunch of ingredients, brown sugar, salt, baking soda, flour, sugar, all sorts of stuff. Okay, pour in our Jack mix, stir, 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 stir. Buttermilk, vanilla extract, eggs, stir, 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 stir. Let's get that in there too. Beautiful. And so that right there is our nice little cupcake mix. We pour it in, beautiful, and we bake that bad boy. Now we gotta make a little sauce to go on top, you see? Stir, 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 get the Jack in. Now this Jack in this sauce is different because a lot of you guys can go, well, didn't you bake off the Jack? Yeah, but it's in the sauce too on top, homeboy. That ain't baked off. That's real Jack. Stir Tipsy.